Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Daily basis live market, whenever a breakout happen, automatically you will receive calls in this chart. For example, today November 3rd after 9:30, after market open a 15 minutes, a buy call generated in this chart due to a upper side breakout. It's a buy call, so green color candle open. From open point, the candle color and the market trend is fixed. It will not change. It will not give false signals. Either the signal will reach the target or it will reach the stop loss. Only whenever a trend changes, a new candle will open. From that open point, the candle color will change. So you should not worry about any false signals. Now the entry point is came at buy at 41,366. As you can see that open point of the candle, that straight white color line is the entry point line. Above green color line are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. First green color line, that is more than a 100-point target. 41,366 entry point, 41,469. So that is more than a 100-point. 103 point is your first target range. And second target is double of the first target range. So whenever a candlestick breakout happen, according to our strategy breakout happen in live market, it will automatically provide the call for you. You are just going to place the order according to the calls. It is possible in both manual trading as well as in auto trading also. Let's wait and see how it works. After 40 minutes of the buy call generated, now the time is 10:10. Finally, market able to break out the first target range of 41,469 and it moved all the way up to the 41,475. Bank Nifty weekly option expiry. So today expiry day, weekly option expiry day. Today expiring option chart, in the money option chart, 41,000 call option. In 41,000 call option chart, at 339 range the buy call generated and market move all the way up to the 440. That is almost a 100-point movement given in the money option chart. If you go to the at the money option chart, you can expect a 50% of the in the money market movement. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. For our daily videos, watch the channel BUYSELL Signals. Just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. Thank you.